We're going to talk about something really fun, something close to our hearts. We're going to talk about creating and building value. So why does a company exist? Why does a business exist?
Provide a good or a service.
To provide a good or a service. Kind of. What do I provide through that good or service?
Value.
Value. I provide value. So, you know, somebody walks into a Ferrari dealership, right, and plunks down, I don't know, anybody know what a Ferrari costs? $200,000?
Yeah.
$250,000? A lot of value for value, right? I mean, somebody walks into a store and buys a half gallon of milk, right? And they give up money for that value. A business provides services, you know, repairing Caterpillar, you know, equipment so it can run, so it can work, and they pay for that. That's what business is all about. Well, as people that work for a living, we get to do the same thing. We get to create value. And we get to create value for our employer. We get to create value for the business's customers. We can create value for the vendors that provide us with goods and services, so we can provide our customers with goods and services. But who else can we provide value for? Who else can we create value for?
Anyone we're around.
Yeah. We can provide value for God, right? We can honor God by creating value for Him. Who else? Me, right? I can create value for me. I can enjoy my job, that's value, okay? I can provide provision, I can create provision for my family and myself. Heck, I can go out and save money. For me, it'd be about 60 years to go be able to plunk down some money to buy a Ferrari, but you know that. I can provide fun and excitement for me as well. So what is value? What is value? I can get you all to stand up and do calisthenics if you want to. But if you just answer the question, we're good. What is value? Yeah, what's value? Yeah, what else? What's value?
What something's worth?
I'm sorry, what's value?
What something's worth to someone else?
What something's worth to someone else. Yeah, okay. If I sell my home, it's not what I think it's worth, it's what the buyer thinks it's worth, right? Yeah. Okay, so value has meaning and purpose. This is in 44 in your book, I think. It has meaning and purpose. It's not universal, it's lasting, it's useful, right? Not everything has the same amount of value and so on, right? It can be redeemed, it can be unique, it can be fun, it can be adventurous, it can be loving, right? Lots of things. That's what we hold and what we value. We have value around our family. We have value around our business. I like what Larry's doing because he doesn't want to take the time to write it down because it might take too long. So he's taking a picture of it, which is totally cool. We have family value that we have, being a parent, loving our kids having fun, educating themselves. We have business value, we have personal value, we have community value.